Hi everyone. So I am hiring mentors for GATE, CS, and DA. And what are the qualifications? They should be GATE qualified with a very good rank, and they should either be doing masters in IISc or IITs, or they might be even passed out from IISc and IITs, or people who are yet to join IITs and IISc, they are also allowed to be mentors. Okay. So the fee is going to be, I can't call it a salary, I can say it is a stipend. Stipend is going to be around 10,000, and it is negotiable. 10,000 per month is going to be the stipend. And the second thing is, you will have an option to set your own price on my website for the mentorship, and students can book you as a mentor and they will pay you that amount. Okay. For example, you can say that your mentorship, one-on-one mentorship is for 1,000 rupees, and aspirants who want guidance from you, basically they need a study plan and motivation. That's it. Okay. You can have weekly half an hour session or 1 hour session with them, and you can charge any amount for that, right? It can be 500 rupees, 1,000 rupees, or 2,000 rupees. TDS will be deducted and the remaining amount will be transferred to you whenever anyone books you for an appointment of this mentorship, right? So either you want to be a teaching assistant or a mentor, or whatever role you want to play, you can just apply, and the link is in the description. Okay. And I want only IITians and people from IISc, and the assistance is for GATE, CS, and DA. Okay. And yeah, we can discuss more once you apply. I'll have a one-on-one call with you and we can discuss more. Okay. And thank you so much. I would love to meet you. Okay.